Hello, good evening. I'm going to show you how to make a face shield for a headband for use as PPE in this environment when we need PPE, personal protective equipment, to fight the coronavirus. I'm going to be using everyday disposable plastic bottles and packaging that can be used to make the shield for the face shield. First of all, I'll show you that you're going to need certain equipment for use to build a shield. You will need a headband. In this case, this is a simple headband that is used to keep the hair in place. This is a face shield which was bought at a hardware store. The shield not being attached to it now. This is a puncher to make the hole puncture, to punch the hole through. This is a Scotch tape. You will need a pair of scissors. You will need a magic marker, and you may or may not need a stapler. And of course, don't forget you need your mask as well for protection. First, to make the face shield, I'm going to use the 1 gallon water jug that is empty. And I use a paper, which is a standard sheet of copy paper, to draw the outline for the face shield onto that plastic bottle. You want to turn the plastic bottle upside down, and you want to align the paper onto the plastic bottle. Then you take the magic marker and you want to draw an outline of that paper onto the bottle, all along 4 sides. And after you've done that, you mark off the bottle which is marked. In this case, I've marked the bottle already, and then I use scissors to cut along the outline, which then led me to this outline of the bottle, which is going to be used for the face shield. Next, I take the face shield, and I'm going to use to attach the headband. I'm going to use to attach the face shield, and I'm going to mark the holes where the plastic shield attaches to the headband using my magic marker. After that, I'm going to drill the 2 holes to the side using a hole punch. So I'm going to punch 1 hole on this side and another hole on the other side using my puncher. Next, I will take the headband and I will attach the shield onto the headband through the holes that I have made on the shield. After that, I attach the knobs to hold the shield onto the headband. I'll attach the other knob onto the headband as well. The reason for using the clear plastic bottle in this case is because the headband in this face shield came with a shield that was colored and opaque, so you couldn't see through it. It wasn't clear, and so it couldn't be used easily as a protective device, not being able to see through it. And after you've connected, this completes the face shield using the headband from the hardware store. Don't forget to wear a mask. You put on your mask, of course, before you put the face shield on for protection. And then after that, you put on your face shield with the plastic shield made from your recycled bottle recycled container. Should suit very well as personal protective equipment. The other method that you could use as well, one other method of many, is that you could use the flat box, in this case a box that held pastry and is clear, and you could use your template again onto the box and use your marker, and you could trace along the outline to use for your face shield. And after you're through with that, you attach the face shield product onto the headband all the way around. In this case, you use your Scotch tape to do so. And then after you've attached it, there you go, you've got another face shield that can be used, made out of the flat box in addition. So here you have two face shields that can be used for personal protective equipment, which would probably be very useful in resource lacking countries that is going to need face shield in this crisis of the COVID virus pandemic that we have with us today. I hope this is helpful to you, and I hope you stay safe, and may God bless you.